Interactive Brokers Bitcoin Wallet App. The pros, the cons. Interactive Brokers, a powerhouse in global investing, has stepped into the crypto arena with its Bitcoin Wallet app. But is it the right move for investors who value both precision and control? Let's dive into the pros, the cons, and what makes this app stand out or fall short. First, the pros. Interactive Brokers is famous for its professional-grade trading tools, and its crypto offering follows the same standard. Through the app, users can buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash directly from their brokerage account. The key advantage here is integration. You can manage traditional assets, Forex, and crypto all in one platform, no need to juggle multiple apps. Another strength is low fees. Interactive Brokers partners with Paxos Trust Company to execute crypto trades, keeping spreads tight and transaction costs among the lowest in the industry. For active traders, that's a serious plus. Security is also top tier. Assets are custodied through regulated partners with strong protection against theft or loss. Unlike many exchanges, Interactive Brokers is fully compliant with US financial regulations, offering a sense of trust many crypto-only platforms can't provide. However, the cons depend on what you expect from a crypto wallet. First, this isn't a true wallet, it's a brokered style account. You can't withdraw crypto to external wallets. That means you don't hold your own private keys, which goes against the decentralized spirit of Bitcoin. Another limitation is asset variety. The platform currently supports only a few major cryptocurrencies, with no options for staking DeFi or NFTs. And finally, it's geographically restricted. Not all countries or regions have access to the crypto feature yet. In conclusion, the Interactive Brokers Bitcoin Wallet app is built for investors who prioritize reliability, security, and professional-grade control. The surprising truth? It's not for crypto purists, it's for traders who want Bitcoin exposure without leaving the comfort of traditional finance.